G'day, this is Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and today is July 21st. Yeah, it's been a few weeks there since I did my last, divergence review here, but, it's summertime. Gotta have fun, right? Beers, barbecues, ice cold beers. Gotta like ice cold beers, where it's almost turning into slush. Yes, indeed. And some good ribs on the queue. Okay, so let's get back to this. Let's get with this, okay? So, we're looking at gold paired up with the US dollar, okay? So, I know I haven't showed you gold in a while, okay, since our last trade, which was right... And here it was a sucker sell fake right here. And it went up and up and up. And since that sucker sell fake, it's gone up 1,150 pips, ladies and gentlemen. That was a good run. But it really sucked. Like, nearly all the way up, there was no trades. I guess there's some hidden divergence trades, maybe one or two in here. But other than that, nothing like really clear until last week. Okay, and this is where we had a pullback, retracement in an uptrend, and then another retracement in an uptrend with a higher low, okay? Which on the indicator of choice, it shows our hidden divergence. So, if you would have got in right here, okay, our stop would have been 180. And as you can see, it went up 573 points, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so it was definitely a 2-to-1 winner, win-loss ratio winner. So let's look at the pound. Okay, the pound we had, it was a couple weeks since we last looked at it. So there was some divergence right here, okay? I do not believe we covered that. And right here, okay? So you would have got in right here, 128 pips, you would have got your 128 pips. Maybe I already showed you that trade in the last video. Not sure. When was this? The 1st of July. Yeah, I must have showed it to you because last date I sent a video out was on the 5th of July. So anyway, then it rallied up here, and then we had a double high here, and it was 62 pips, and we got our 62 pips. And then we had a low and a retracement and a basically kind of like a triple low right here. So we would have got long right here. Stop would have been 100. And it went up so far 181. So we got our 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade so far. Let me make that bigger and show that to you. Okay, 111 pips stop, went up 180 pips. Okay, let's look at the euro now. And why do I have that line on there? I do not know. Took a little drink of some Gatorade. No sugar, of course. Okay, so here we have a hidden divergence setup. But I can show you this one first here from, yes, July 6th. It was a dud. Had a high and a higher high. And it stood out like big time. So if you got short right here, your stop would have been 83 points. And it only went down 34. So you would have lost on that trade if you let it run to the stop. I myself would have got out somewhere in here and lost maybe 30 pips. Okay? So anyway, the second trade, which was in the following week, it was right here. Okay, right there. Boom. So you would have got long right there. Stop would have been 50 pips. You would have got your 50 pips there. and you would have got your 100 2-to-1 win-loss ratio up there. Okay, now let's look at the Aussie dollar. It also gave a high and higher high. I'll show you. Ding, ding. And ding, ding. That's divergent. So if you got short here, your stop would have been 49 pips, and it only went down 30. You can see it was a very rough beginning of July here, and finally it broke out here. Okay? So anyway, then we got our second trade right here. Okay, which is to double bottom, basically. As you can see it right there. Boom. You got long there. Stop was 44. Went up 66. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. So then we're going to take this and we're going to flip it over here. Like that. And we're going to take this one and flip it over here. As you can see, that is hidden divergence. So you would have got long right in here. Your stop would have been 47 pips, and it went up 140 pips so far. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay. I don't think I want to look at this pair, do I? No. And the CAD's been awful too. There's some divergence right here, and it worked. But there was some back here that didn't work. But let me just show you quickly, okay? We got high and higher high. And boom. You can see that sticks out like a sore thumb. You would have got short right in here. 50 pips, and it went down 90. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then we got hard, what I call hard to see divergence. Okay. Right there. And you would have got short somewhere in here or here. Stop would have been 41, and it went down 136 pips. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade as well. So anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the divergence trades setups that I showed you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel, and when you do subscribe, there's a gray bell beside the subscribe button. You need to click on the bell, and it'll show like the bell's ringing, and that's the only way you're going to get my videos right away. If you don't click the bell, you might get some of them. Okay, you want to get all of them. You don't want to miss any of them. So you want to, hit the bell. And if you're interested in learning how to trade divergence professionally, please click on the link in the description box below the video. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy from Forex Trading Watchdog. Good luck and good trading.